It's built in 1969, but launched in 1987, already after 18 years for some reason. It's 6th March today on the 2nd of October 2023. Revontulentie. Nog steeds weer een eindsteek Espoo. Since 1969 as well. Maybe it was pop up before.
Yeah.
Such 18077, but it sounded like the basement floor. 5 is open. Looks like it 2024 the next year. Sounds like somebody's from the basement floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, this floor was locked off.
Yeah, expected parkkilains, but not maintained by Kone.
Yeah. I don't know if somebody's coming.
No, because there is no arrow.
1 second right. Amazing sounds.
Yeah.
About the panel on this side.
Yeah.
Emergency fire software.
Mm. That's